Hey there, Bear fam. Welcome to another episode of Bear Thoughts. The urgency of addressing the climate crisis has never been clearer than now. From rising temperatures to unpredictable weather patterns and the depletion of natural resources, all of these are enough signs for us to pull our socks up and actually do something about status quo. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword we should casually toss around. It's the lever to reversing and mitigating the damage that's caused by decades of overconsumption and subsequent environmental neglect. According to the United Nations, by 2050, the global population is expected to reach 9.7 billion. Our current consumption patterns are evidently unsustainable for such a large population. If we don't change our current habits, we'll be heading towards a very grim environmental future. A study by Nielsen showed that 73% of millennials are willing to pay more for sustainable products. And we work closely with many corporations and observe how they are becoming more aware of their environmental impact. And in order to speed up changes, we need to embed sustainability in our everyday decisions and discussions, and that's where education comes in. The premise of education is that it empowers individuals to make choices that are not only good for them but also for the planet. Whether it's knowing how to reduce waste, choosing energy efficient devices, or supporting ethical brands, sustainability education provides us with the know-how to make informed decisions. Informed individuals have a greater likelihood to demand for change, adopt sustainable livelihoods, and influence policies to drive fundamental action. When people understand the environmental cost of plastic waste, there is a larger probability to reduce their single-use plastic consumption and opt for sustainable alternatives. Consumers who prioritize sustainability can push companies to adopt greener practices, leading to systemic change. In today's world, words such as ESG, which is environmental, social and governance, and CSR, corporate social responsibility, sustainability, and circularity, are used on a daily basis. These concepts are really important and have become so frequent and casual in their usage that they end up becoming buzzwords, often used more for optics than for real change. In reality, though, sustainability goes far beyond these terms, and that's where Bare Necessities comes in. At Bare Necessities, we have always understood the power of education in transforming mindsets. Our work goes beyond just creating eco-friendly products. It extends to fostering awareness and promoting sustainable practices through our education initiatives. From online courses to talks and workshops, we help individuals, businesses, corporates, schools, and more understand the various facets of sustainability and how to implement them effectively. Bare Learning is a UNESCO-recognized learning initiative which allows us to amplify our impact. Our workshops aim to deepen the conversation from vague buzzwords that begin to sound like jargons to actual actions. We work with corporates to help them go beyond simply ticking boxes to taking actionable steps towards a sustainable future. Our workshops tap into different themes of sustainability, which go far beyond the surface level of understanding ESGs or triple bottom lines. We cover topics such as zero waste living, circular economy, water conservation, and urban gardening. And through these detailed discussions, we empower organizations with practical knowledge and tools that make sustainability ubiquitous in their lives. Our partnerships with global corporations such as Flipkart, Accenture, 3M, IKEA, Stryker, Padmini VNA, Coursera, JP Morgan, and so many others showcase how organizations can use sustainability education to drive internal change. Working with such diverse companies has further reinforced the importance of sustainability education and its relevance across various sectors. For major corporations such as IKEA, Padmini VNA, and so many more, we have customized workshops that cover the full spectrum of sustainability that touch upon various topics. Through these workshops, we converse with the entire team. from the white collar and the blue collar employees, making everyone a part of the movement. These discussions are inclusive with a focus on actionable goals which the teams can apply immediately. Additionally, we work along with businesses to set up sustainability committees that are responsible for driving sustainability initiatives across the organization. These committees become the sustainability leaders within the company, ensuring the goals are met and that sustainability becomes a part of the company culture. Through our partnership with JP Morgan, we saw over 800 engaged employees actively participating in discussions across all workshops. We helped the company set up a dedicated sustainability committee, resulting in them building a clear roadmap for their green goals. With Stryker, we helped establish an internal sustainability committee, and the enthusiasm from participants has been truly gratifying. Employees are eagerly willing to participate and to learn more. Sustainability education is for everyone, and everyone has a role to play in shaping a greener world. And if you're interested in bringing sustainability education to your organization, reach out to us at info@barenecessities.in to start the sustainability conversation today. And with that, we come to the end of today's episode of Bare Thoughts. And until next time, let's continue to make zero waste living the norm and not the exception.